Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's question is last stone weight. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We solve a lot of interview questions on this channel that can definitely help you with your interview. Question says we have collection of stones. Each stone have a positive integer value. Each turn we choose the two heaviest stones and smash them together. Suppose the stones have weight x and y with x less than equal to y. The result of this smash is if x is equal to y, both stones are totally destroyed. If x is not equal to y, the stone of weight x is totally destroyed and the stone of weight y has new value y minus x. At the end, there is at most one stone left. Return the weight of this stone or 0 if there are no stone left. So we can solve this question using two ways. Either we can use array or we can use min heap. So we will go to pen and paper and we will see how we can solve this question through both ways. After that, I will show you the code for both of them. Let's move on to pen and paper. So I have taken the example given in the question, and the question says we need to take out the two heaviest stones and we need to smash them. So for this example, 7 and 8 is the heaviest stone. So I will take out both of them and I will smash them. And as 7 is not equal to 8, I will take out the difference of them, which is 1. So my new array will be 2, 4, 1, 1 and 1. Now again I will take out the two heaviest stones, that is 2 and 4. 2 is not equal to 4, so I will take out the difference, which is 2, and I will insert 2, 1, 1 and 1. Now again I will take out the heaviest stone, that is 2 and 1, and again I will smash them. After smashing I will get 1. So our new array will be 1, 1 and 1. So now I will take out the two heaviest stones, that will be 1 and 1. I will smash them and 1 is equal to 1. So our answer will be 0. So both stones are destroyed. So we are just left with 1 in the array. And at the end I will return 1 as the result. So let's discuss the two ways we can solve this question. One way is I will take array. What I will do, I will take out this array and I will sort it. So after sorting it will be 1, 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. I will take out stone 1 equal to the last value, which is 8, and stone 2 as 7. And as I will take them out, I will gonna remove them. And I will take out the difference of them and I will add it back to the array. So again it will come to this point. We will keep taking out the two highest stones and I will keep taking out the difference of them and we will keep putting them back to the array. And at the end, if we are left with something in the array, we will return it, otherwise we will return the 0. So this was the first way. Let's look at the second way. The second way will be, we will use the min heap. And how min heap works, let's take our example again. 2, 7, 4, 1, 8, 1. So min heap will keep the minimum value on the top and it will go like this, down and down. So every time if I will pop something, it will give me the minimum value. The second minimum value will be replaced by it. So if I will take out 1, so if I take out 1, so my min heap will be this 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, something similar to this. So how we can use min heap to solve this question? So what we can do, I will multiply every element in the array with -1. So after multiplying every element with -1, so our element will be equal to -2, minus 7, minus 4, minus 1, 8 and minus 1. And now what I will do, I will form the min heap. Min heap will be equal to 8 minus 7 minus 4 minus 2 minus 1 and minus 1. And now I will take out the first element and I will keep doing this. I will take out the minus 8 and minus 7 and I will take the absolute difference between them. Whatsoever will be the difference, I will add it back to the min heap. And at the end, if I'm left with a single element, I will return that single element as a result. Otherwise, I will return 0. Let's move on to coding part and let's see what is the code for this question. Let's see the code using array. At line number 3, I am taking a while loop while the length of the array is greater than 1. At line number 4, I am sorting the array. At line number 5, I am taking out the heaviest and the second heaviest stone and I am checking whether their value is equal or not. If their value is equal, then I am just removing them from the array. Else, if their value is not equal, then I am taking out the difference of them and I am putting it back in the array. If you look at line number 8, I am just taking the difference and putting it back in the array. And I am again modifying the array at the line number 9. And if after doing this, we are left with anything in the array, I am returning the value at line number 11. Else, we will simply return 0. So this was the solution using array. Let's check whether it works or not. So here I have submitted my code and it got accepted. So this was the code using array. Let's move on to the code using min heap. So this is the code using min heap. At line number 3, I am just converting all the values of the array to their negative value. And at line number 4, I am heapifying the array. So this is how we make heap in the Python. At line number 5, I am taking a while loop while the length of the array is greater than 1. At line number 6, I am taking out the first heaviest stone. And how I am doing that? I am just popping out the value from the heap and I am taking their absolute value. At line number 7, I am taking out the second heaviest stone. At line number 8, I am checking whether their value is equal or not. If their value is not equal, I am taking their difference and I am converting it back to the negative and I am pushing it back to the heap. And after doing this, if I am left with something in the array, I am returning that value, otherwise I am returning 0. So this was the code using heap. So let's check whether it works or not. So I have submitted my code and it got accepted. So this was the code using min heap. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe.